Negative 16 into negative 8. Then, tanggalin yung
absolute value.
Absolute value would be 16. 8. Then,
Divided by 8. Divided by 8.
2. 1.
Shift plus.
Okay, any question? Paano nakuha?
Yung ang mga sign pa nalilito ako sa mga sign.
Okay, tingnan nyo dito, balik tayo dito. RJ and LP.
Bakit sa plus?
J. Ano yung value ng R?
Negative 7.
7. Ano yung J?
Positive 9.
Ano yung formula?
Minus.
Minus.
Na positive, bakit naging negative?
Okay, sige. Ganyan na lang. Negative plus, negative times positive would be negative, diba? Unlike times would be negative. Kaya naging negative 9. Tapos, you add negative 7 plus negative 9, we have negative 16.
Positive plus. Like sign plus add.
Kapag like sign, if you multiply like sign, the answer would be positive. If you multiply unlike sign, the answer would be negative. Okay, persuading videos na to. First topic of your persuading videos.
Like sign, kapag subtraction, like sign, plus.
Ano nyo na yung number like?
Sir, subtraction, sir, tapos like sign.
Ang isipin nyo palagi natin sa yung formula. Yung formula is, bawa, RC, RJ, negative 7 yung R. Then yung J would be positive 9. Positive yan ha, positive. Tapos ngayon, lagyan nyo yung formula. Absolute value, then negative. Negative times positive. Okay. Kaya may ganyan yan para makita nyo that negative is multiplied.